Drivin Ivan here, standing in front of my pretty much identical car, except this one is pretty darn pristine. My God, look at it. Look at it shine. The Porsche Experience. And it's just entirely done up. I have an 82 Targa, light blue metallic like this one. Now mine has white gauges, and I put white leather interior with blue piping on it because that's how I roll. Hey, here's me face. There's a shout out to Ozzy, man. He's hilarious. But check him out on YouTube if you want to. But first, finish watching my Porsche Experience video here. This is the Porsche Experience in Carson City and near LA. And they restore Porsches here. They have a track. They pretty much have everything that you would desire in terms of Porsche automobiles. Look at this, man. Also check out my 928. I have a 78 928 5-speed. This is the risky business car. Tom Cruise. Automatic. It's an S4, so it's later. This is 9 years later than mine, but wow. Pretty cool to see this. What a great track too, you could tell. It's got elevation changes and that sort of thing. I've never been to this facility before, so like you guys who are probably in awe if you've never seen this, well, so am I. It's pretty impressive, isn't it? Show you all the cars in here. And wow, wow, wow. Really good stuff. Nice looking, fresh, clean steering wheel. And this, I mean, you can eat off this car. I recently restored the interior on mine, but this is crazy level of finish here. Custom steering wheel, a little smaller than the original, and everything presented well up front too, with tire inflator and everything like that. Want to see what's beyond the screen? Well, there you go. This is the place for Porsche fans, I'll tell you. My God. Very, very cool. This looks like a 912. Let's see. Maybe a 60 something. Yeah, it's 912. I don't see the year. I guess around 68. 6P says 912. Wow, wow, wow. Galpin 1955 Porsche 356 Speedster. So this would be right from the time of James Dean, basically. And what a beauty. Great finish and knockoff wheels. Look at the interior. Holy, holy. Wow, wow, wow. This is good stuff, y'all. Look at the engine. Whew. Anyway, there you have it. This is the Porsche facility here. I'll take you back outside. Well, I have a car from outside that I'll show you in another video. But for now, look at this beauty. Wow.
Why don't they just count to three? Mike, okay, I got it. Mike, count to three.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to Google Drivin Ivan in any car, and you will see my car review and take you back to my Porsche light blue metallic. If you want to see mine, I have a bunch of videos of it. The original review I shot, and I bought the cheapest Porsche 911 is also one of those videos, and this is the car basically. So there you have it. This is pretty much identical to mine. 82 911 SC Targa. So check that one out too. I bought the cheapest Porsche 911. Check out my disc golf videos, a little video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. Follow me on TikTok, The Real Drivin Ivan, and Instagram too, Drivin Ivan Cats. And check out my music video, Free Your Mind. That's got a lot of my car collection and all of my instrument collection in it too. Again, thanks for watching this grand Porsche Experience video. I am Drivin Ivan.